Nunu clothing review, is legit or a scam? Nunu clothing review, is legit or a scam? Online fashion shopping is booming, and Nunu clothing is one of the sites you may have seen. Most people get this wrong by assuming new or lesser known online stores are scams. The surprising truth is that Nunu clothing is legitimate, but you need to shop wisely. You won't believe what happens next. Nunu clothing offers a variety of trendy outfits and accessories at competitive prices. Customers report receiving their orders in good condition, and the quality is generally satisfactory for casual wear. Their website features clear images and a simple checkout process, making it easy to order. However, some buyers note occasional delays in shipping and sizing inconsistencies. Checking size charts carefully and reading reviews for specific items can help avoid disappointments. Additionally, the return policy is standard, but shipping costs for returns may apply. In conclusion, Nunu clothing is a genuine online fashion store. By paying attention to sizing and shipping timelines, shoppers can enjoy affordable, trendy clothing safely. It's a convenient option for anyone looking to refresh their wardrobe online.